Blessed day, greetings. Yeah man, this is Starcy. So today we're gonna talk about children and parents. Parents need to take more control of their children, the way how they are brought up. Because a lot of these kids nowadays they don't have no manners, no respect. Right? Back in my growing up days, my growing is totally different from how kids grow now. Right? When my mother talk, there's no word come out my mouth. But nowadays parents when them talk to them kids, a back answer them I get non-stop. You understand? And them spoil the kids then. You can't say you can't treat your kids, you must treat your kids, you must make them feel good, but also you have to balance. And not everything them want you have to give it to them. You understand what I say? Sometimes you love them so much, but sometimes you have to make them learn the hard way. But not in a bad way. You understand? If them want something, make them achieve it. Make them learn. And respect. You understand what I say? You know what I mean? Yeah, I have kids and I love my kids. I don't beat my kids. I don't need to beat my kids. But I grow them with respect. And you have to curve the tree from it young. Cause when it get big, you can't curve it. You understand? So it's just that's how life is. But we as the parents we can make big changes, and this is how we create a better environment. You understand? So just blessed and big up and many thanks to Star Seed and I'm out.